Hey y'all, IrixGuy here, and if your Ninja air fryer cuts off unexpectedly, there's something you need to be aware of. Always make sure, see how this is under a cabinet, never use your Ninja air fryer in a place that's not properly ventilated, because what can happen, it can overheat and it may trigger the Ninja air fryer to power itself off unexpectedly. So again, you need to have it out to where it's got open air, where it won't overheat. And don't overload it with food. But I've only had it overheat once, and that was a mistake I made. I had it underneath, slightly underneath that overhang. And again, you need to be well ventilated. But if yours overheated, you can probably let it cool down and it may work again. I've had great success with Shark and Ninja products, but I did want to acknowledge that I did overheat my Ninja air fryer, and the way I did it is by having it underneath that while it was in use. So again, make sure it's got open air all around it and you'll probably be okay. This is a great thing, man. I'm frying some, air frying some chicken wings here. Look at those, about to toss them in my sauce and some ghost pepper. Finishing them up at 400 degrees. Subscribe, ring that bell, and check out the Air Fry with IrixGuy video playlist. I've got all kinds of air fryer recipes, chicken wings, fried okra, French fries, and so much more. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.